It's a good time to own an electric car right now because the price of gas is going back up. Saudi Arabia and Russia both announced in September that they were cutting more production of oil until the end of the year, which is causing a supply deficit and making oil prices go up. Since June of this year, the price of oil has gone from $70 to $90 per barrel, reaching the highest level it's been this year to date in 2023. As a result, it's sending these three oil stocks rallying. Halliburton is a company that helps drillers find petroleum, manage geological data, and provides other drilling services. It's the world's second largest oil field service company and responsible for most of the world's fracking. They reported a better than expected second quarter but missed on revenue. The stock is up 39% over the last 6 months. Schlumberger is also one of the largest oil field providers. They also beat their second quarter earnings but missed on revenue. Schlumberger is up 36% over the last 6 months. 3 Occidental Petroleum, one of Warren Buffett's recent favorite stocks. Berkshire owns 25% of it. It specializes in oil, but also petrochemical manufacturing and hydrocarbon. On the renewable side, they're also developing a huge carbon capture technology that will suck CO2 out of the atmosphere. The stock is up 36% over the last 6 months.